We are live today on the 15th of February 2021 as the people of Onitshigbeze are here to tell the world that we don't need Fulani herdsmen in our land, that we are here live and direct in Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province. They are saying that they don't want Fulani again in Onitshigbeze. We are here live today. The youths of Ebonyi State are saying no to Fulani herdsmen in our land. People are here, people of Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province are here today, 15th of February 2021, saying that they don't want Fulani herdsmen again in Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province as a whole. We are saying no to Fulani herdsmen in Ebonyi province. We are saying no to bandits and terrorists in our land. The youths of Ebonyi province in Onitshigbeze are saying no to Fulani herdsmen and their cows. We have our own cows. We have our native cows. These are in Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province. We are here live today, live and direct in Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province in Biafra land. Today, the 15th of February 2021. We are saying no to Fulani, no to bandits, no to terrorists in our land. We have had enough of the killing of our women by Fulani herdsmen. We have our own cows. We don't need their cows again. here live today on Chigbeze, in the province in Biafra land, as our people are here saying no to any form of Fulani herdsmen in our land. This is happening live on Chigbeze. Even the governor of my state cannot stop us. We are here live today. We have our own native cow. As you can see, we are live today. Our people are saying that we don't need Fulani herdsmen again in our land. We don't need their cows. We don't need any sort of form of bandits, terrorists in our land again. The youth of Onichigbeze are saying enough is enough of all the killings of our women and our children. Enough is enough. We are here live today. This is a live video from Onichigbeze. Today being the 15th of February 2021. David Ibuka Simon Biafra reporting live from Onichigbeze. The people of Onichigbeze are united and saying no to every form of bandits. people are saying no to any form of Fulani herdsmen in our land. We are saying no, that we don't want them again in our land. We are saying no to every form of terrorist, every form of bandit in our land. It's happening live today on the 15th of February 2020 in Onitshigbeze. David Igbokwe on Biafra Story reporting live. We're live today. The people of Onitshigbeze, the youth of Onitshigbeze are saying no to every form of bandit, terrorist in Ebonyi State. Join the right. We have our own native cow. We have our own local cow. We have our own Biafran cow that Chukwuka Biafra blessed us with. So we don't need their cows again in our land. We have to protect our land. The youth of Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province, Biafra land, are saying no. Enough is enough. Even the idiots called them will not be able to stop us today. We will march and tell the world that we don't want Nigeria. We are not Nigerians. We are Biafrans by birth. David Igbokwe Simon Biafra Story reporting live today, being the 15th of February 2021. As you can hear it, it is the people of Onitshigbeze. We are in the land of Onitshigbeze in Ebonyi province in Biafra land. We are live today and direct. Even the bastard called the devil man cannot stop us. But they give us Biafra. There will be no peace in Nigeria until they give us Biafra, because Biafra is what we seek. As you can see, more youths are still coming out to join us because they have found the truth, and the truth is Biafra. The children of light are coming out in number, in their large number, because they have found out that Biafra is the only truth that can save black African race. Slow, just slow and steady. Oh yeah. Slow. But no hand behind. You know hand talk again. Yeah. Just like that. Live and direct today. We're live today on the 15th of February 2021. Here we are live in Ochigbeze. People from Ochigbeze are saying no to Fulani herdsmen. They should stay in our land and commit atrocities, taboo and abominations in our land. We have our own cows. As you can see, our own cow. We don't want them in our land anymore.
Slow and steady.